Start. The government has once again amended the NAB ordinance it had issued earlier in the month and further diluted the efficacy of this controversial accountability organization. Full stop. One amendment in particular, if allowed to stand, will go the farthest in making NAB a toothless body. Full stop. This latest change in the ordinance has taken away the power of removing the NAB chairman from the Supreme Judicial Council and given to it the President. Full stop. New para. Since the President acts on the advice of the Prime Minister, it can be deduced that the chairman of NAB will now serve for all practical purposes at the pleasure of the latter. Full stop. According to reports, many members of the cabinet were opposed to this change, sensing that it would kill the purpose of NAB as an accountability body, but the other view prevailed and the amendment was included in the latest ordinance. Full stop. New para. This makes a mockery of an already compromised organization. Full stop. Ever since NAB was established by a military ruler, it has been used and abused by every administration to hound its opponent while turning a blind eye to the misdeeds of those associated that the government. Full stop. Over the years, NAB has continued to display acute partisanship, shoddy professionalism, and a flawed approach towards the concept of accountability. Full stop. New para. Among the litany of weakness it has displayed over the years, none has had a more damaging impact on society than the loss of confidence in the process of accountability. Full stop. It was NAB's primary responsibility to win over the trust of the citizens by proving that it was indeed blind to political partisanship. Full stop. Had it succeeded in building such a relationship of trust and confidence with the public at large, its many other operational faults and mistakes could have been overlooked. Full stop. Unfortunately for NAB and more so for Pakistan, the organization has made a farce out of accountability and is today seen as an example of how this process can be used for witch hunting. Full stop.